Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. So 2021 is coming to an end. The bad, the ugly, and the greats. What has happened in the past year? And what are we looking forward to 2020? So let's start with the bad and the ugly. Why the bad and the ugly? Well, a few different things happened. Some of them scammed out, some of them is not there anymore. But two of them stood out. And the first one is Money Tree. Money Tree created by a YouTuber who was tired of getting scammed. And what happened? He ended up scamming. Is that the truth? We'll never know because he just disappeared. No real explanation. Besides, it sounded like he didn't do what he said he was doing. Tired of getting scammed, so he decided to scam. The second one is Cash FX. Most call it the legacy company. But can they stick to the name legacy? At this current stage is under the ugly and the bad because they're behind on payments. And in the past we've seen a lot of companies who falls behind on payments never come back. Can they catch up and can they regain the name they stated for themselves as a legacy company? Now this one has a lot to show and prove. I hope they will catch up in 2022 and they will for sure be a legacy company. But at this current stage, I do have my doubts. Being 9 weeks behind on payments, not a legacy company. The success stories of 2021 is quite a few. The first one is the Drip network, the smart contract that's paying 1% daily. I've been in since March. I got in when the token was $2 and it's currently around $60 and it keeps on giving 1% daily. The team behind it is also building an ecosystem which gives this network the opportunity to succeed for a long time to come. But only time will tell if they last. The second one is also a smart contract, the elephant.money contract, with a token called Trunk or Stampede. Now, this is a stable coin, and by entering their bonds, you're gaining 0.56% daily in stablecoin. The main reason why I got into this is to gain that stablecoin stability. Will it last? It's pretty new, only been around for a few months, but it's making a name for themselves and it's forward. Copy Pro Traders, the company that set a new trend in 2021. The trend was you can invest using API keys. And by using API keys, it means your funds are safe in your own exchange. Meaning you're not giving your money away and waiting for a weekly or a daily payment. Every time someone does a trade on Copy Pro Traders, it mirrors on your exchange. If you don't like the trade, you can go and close it. If you need your funds, you can take it out. You're in full control. Copy Pro Traders, company that set new trend worldwide. Bitsgap, the grid trading bot, also using API key. Your funds are safe, a bot trading on your behalf according to the settings you've put in, and it's just ticking away the entire time. RollQ, the DCA bot, where it gives you different options. You can do manual trading, or you can follow a trader on RollQ. Your funds are safe because the app is connected also to your exchange and using API keys. The only thing it can do is trade and read according to the settings and permissions you've given. Looking at Copy Pro Traders, Bitsgap, and RollQ, these three companies changed the look at platforms 2021 due to the fact that your funds are safe in all of them because it's staying in your own exchange. Worst case scenario, a trade can be open, the market dips, but you're gaining an asset, but you can devalue. Looking at Drip and Stampede, two smart contracts. I don't talk a lot about them due to the fact you're giving your money away and you're not in full control and you're waiting for your daily payouts. But the main focus will be API keys, Copy Pro Trader, Bitsgap, and RawQ going forward as well, 2022. The top performing tokens I've bought this year. I've bought quite a few. I've been rug pull. I've seen some of them dump, some of them drop and stay low. I've seen some of them reaching the moon and coming back. But the best performing two so far is CoinMerge. CoinMerge is a unique exchange coming up with giving you different opportunity, and it's truly an all-in-one exchange. Make sure to look at CoinMerge because the capability and accessibility it gives you makes a huge difference. The second token was also an exchange, the SteamX exchange, with Binance moving out of Canada 1st of January. SteamX gonna take over the Canadian exchange, giving it a lot of opportunity and movement for the token. These two tokens has performed the best of all the different ones I've bought 2021. So 2022, what is my goals? My first goal will be build a wheel of income. Now we've seen a lot of people talking that you at least need 7 different incomes. And that's the idea for is building a wheel of income. The one feeding the next, and at the end, getting paid. So if one of the incomes fall away, you have at least 5 or 6 more that can keep on paying you. I want to increase my hodl portfolio, make it bigger, and get more sustainability for the long run. Look into property to diversify. Might be property, it might be stocks, it might be a different business, but I want to diversify even wider, and that will become part of the wheel I'm building. And the most important thing for 2022 to become successful together. If I'm successful, I want my following to be all the way to the end. Connections. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get the latest updates, see what I'm doing and what's happening. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you're the first there to hit the like button. The Telegram broadcast channel. Link will be down in the description as well as the chat box. Latest news, all my first videos will be posted there. Be first. Come ask questions, give recommendations, and let's build towards the future. My link tree will be in the description as well, with all the different opportunities you can join and make a success. Merry Christmas. I hope you have a festival season full of joy and happiness. Happy New Year. Enjoy the last few days of 2021 and then enjoy the new year with huge success and everything that's great. Let's build together and gain in the future. Take care. See you guys all next year.